Engineers Inspector Summary Video. Here we are in Millburn, and what we have is a catwalk over a roof with a ladder and a vehicle parked downstairs. First thing that we're going to note is that this ladder cannot be this kind of ladder. As you can see, it must be single action requiring no special knowledge, and this one has a chain. First thing, should this chain be off for any reason and this ladder was allowed to swing out right now, the way that I'm doing it right now, if I was somebody modified this ladder to do this. This is illegal, because as you can see, if I was to let go of this right now, it wouldn't go all the way down. It would smash that truck anyway, and if that truck was actually a person, we'd have some severe injury to somebody's skull if it either maimed them or killed them. So these ladders have been modified in the past this way. This is illegal. What you can do is make it so that it slides straight down. It's called a guillotine ladder. It needs a weight system similar to some of the other fire escapes on this building that you'll see. Otherwise, this going out right now not only will be damaging a truck or can't make it all the way down, thereby trapping people on the fire escape system. It has to be a slide. In some cases, you can also remove it and people jump 7 to 9 feet to the ground, or as permitted by the fire official. With that, we're looking for, as per the code, a load test. We must load test this fire escape, and the load test is really in this portion of the fire escape or along the catwalk system. It's a very small fire escape, including the load test of this portion here. In lieu of a load test, if you can provide satisfactory evidence that the fire escape has been refurbished and it has adequate strength, we can, in speaking with the official, eliminate the load test by convincing them that the fire escape has been refurbished. So here's what we'd have to do to avoid the load test on this fire escape. All these welded connections that need to be x-rayed or load tested, as soon as you put in a bolt and all these welded connections create a connection with a bolt, we eliminate the need for a load test. This tread, as soon as you pop in a bolt, eliminate the need for a load test. Reinforce these connections and put in correct bolting, no need for a load test. Treads, no need for a load test. This ladder and these connections here, as soon as you put in a bolt here, no need for a load test. Original hardware, swap out all the original hardware, put in new hardware, no need for a load test. Fire escape has been kept painted. Looks like somebody just put a paint job that matched the building color. But there is a rail missing on this right side, so we need to have the railing put back, otherwise people can step out and get into trouble by going around the roof. There's some pieces of this is a little bit loose, but that could be just from the diamond plate. There is a trip hazard right here, so we need to put in a piece of grating or another piece of diamond plate to continue this, so that it's a continuation, so that there's no, but you definitely need a rail on this side. Similar rail. It could be a one-line rail, and in it can have a gate system so you can get in and have access to these units. Let me see if there's anything else on this particular fire escape. This is the only roof one that I've seen so far, and that covers the need on this particular fire escape. So again, all these welded connections, to avoid the load test or having to x-ray these, you put in bolts. As soon as you put in either one-way screws or bolt it with a 3/8 bolts, that eliminates the need for either an x-ray or a load test of these connections, because they're all welded connections, but they have been compromised. There has been water getting to these, and again, looks like it was a recent paint job on some of the other fire escapes, and this one probably hasn't seen a paint job in about 5 years, but they may be throwing a paint job. All the snow on here might have done this. Any questions? Fire escape engineers, Inspector Meneses here. 800-649-3333.